Good morning. Today we have our for today is we will share to you how to make the banana Q, the Philippine delicacy or dessert. So we have some banana here. This is a frozen banana. So 2 days ago we went to Seafood City, which is the Filipino supermarket. So we find the Saba Philippine Banana Whole Steam, product of the Philippines, naturally healthy fruit, and this is a frozen one. Okay, I will give you the overview, the nutrition fact in the banana. It says saturated fat 0 gram, trans fat 0 gram, sodium 500 milligram, dietary fiber 4 grams, sugar 17, natural only, and we have also protein 2 grams. And about the Saba banana, this kind of banana is well known in the Philippines. This is the one that we eat during my childhood. Okay, so Saba banana is an abundance vitamins and mineral, which is great source of natural energy. It is also a primarily cooking banana, thought that it can be eaten raw, or the most important, the variety Philippine cuisine in banana. You can eat also in a raw. This is already steamed banana and frozen. So what we do is, look at this. This is delicious. Very delicious, guys. So this is the favorite of my daughter. Wow, excellent, guys. Even this one like this, you can eat like this. Very delicious. So what are we going to do, guys? This is already cooked. We will heat the oil in the pan, and then we will put this one a little bit, and then when it's already fully heat, we put the sugar to caramelize this one, because this is already fully cooked. Okay, so keep on watching, guys. By the way, if you are new to our channel, please consider to subscribe. Our channel is all about cooking, traveling, and also the gardening. It's all about organic lifestyle. So keep on watching, guys. I will show you the full recipe how to make the banana Q in the Philippines. We have some here, so we need to put some oil. Not totally deep fry, because this is the way my daughter like. In my way, I put the brown sugar in the water to caramelize and add on the butter, but this is what she wants, you know. This is okay, let me to ano. Eat kong baby, favorite din niya yan, oh. Oh, bigyan mo siya, anak. So, ganito siya, guys. Parang inano natin siya. Hindi naman siya deep fried, but we put an oil here na tamang-tama lang siya na para maluto. So, now we will put the brown sugar. Wait until it's caramelized. One thing here in America, everything is already here. There's already some Filipino food. Many Filipino food here. If you know how to cook, you can cook variation of food. That's why. Nung una, ayokong pumunta dito sa Amerika kasi mamimiss ko yung mga Filipino food. But now, I discover so many ways. At may Jollibee na rin dito. At ang lasa ng Jollibee ay lasang-lasa ng Jollibee ng Pilipinas. Sobrang masarap po talaga. At the best pa ang Jollibee compare sa mga ibang food chain dito. The best talaga ang Jollibee fried chicken. Walang tatalo sa sarap. At saka ang kagandahan ay family-oriented. Yan, guys. Favorite ito ng aking mga kids. Kaya pag bumisit sila sa Pilipinas, hindi na sila mahihirapan man. Kasi I introducing to them how to eat this kind of food. Alam mo dito, guys, ano to, $2.59 converted in the Philippine money is about 150 pesos. syempre, kasi exported naman kasi, magbabayad pa sila ng mga tax, custom. So, yan. A little bit later. Favorite ito ng aking dalaginding at ang aking binatilyo at ang aking baby. May dalaginding na kasi ako at may binatilyo dito. So, alam mo, lahat na mga niluluto ko sa kanila, kagaya ng kasaba, sweet potato, banana, talagang very, talagang swak na swak at talagang ubos na ubos pag hinahanda ko sa kanila. Hindi sila mahirap pakainin. Mamaya na anak, let's finish this batch, okay? Batching by batching. So, we can get some brown sugar now. So, ganito yan guys. So, ipapakaramelize lang natin. Yan. Ang sarap nito. Hahanguin na natin siya guys kasi perfect na siya. Hindi natin gustong masunog yung sugar kasi papait siya. So, ganito siya. Pwede rin kayo gumawa ng kamote. Kamote Q. Ganyan ang ginagawa ko nun. Pero, kasi medyo madalang lang kaming magpunta doon sa Seafood City ngayon eh. Kaya, okay, let's remove this. So guys, ito na yung ating banana Q guys. Tingnan natin oh, ang sarap. Ay, talagang favorite ito ng aking mga anakis. Guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy here in our channel, The Organic Life 101. Thank you for watching again. God bless. If you are new to this channel, guys, please consider to subscribe our channel and watch full also, guys, para makuha ko yung 4,000 hours. And anyway, guys, thank you so much and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to each and every one of us. God bless. Bye-bye.
Look, Mom. Look what we got.